Hello. I might be a bit long in the tooth for it to be a YouTube star, but I understand that young folk like a thing called unboxing. So I'm going to try unboxing the cards that I've ordered for the Widcombe Christmas market. So let's see what we've got. I've ordered some Christmas cards and some cats and dogs, which are my best sellers. So let's see what we've got. Ooh. Okay, first up, a lovely card of my dear dog Misty. That's actually sold out, so I had to order some more. Next we have Christmas Robin. Rather fetching. If you're looking for a Christmas card that's a little bit different, that might be up your street. What else have we got? These are wrapped up. I won't unwrap them now. That's one of my Christmas card designs. And also I've got some cards that will be in packs. They're smaller cards and come in packs of 5. Lots of goodies. Lots of goodies. Ooh, let's open this one. So the cards, if you can't get to the Christmas market, which is in the Widcombe Social Club on the 16th and 17th of November, you can order my cards through the website that I use, which is called Love from the Artist. And that was set up to give a good and fair deal to artists, so we get a good return for our artwork. So lovefromtheartist, all one word, .com, if you'd like to order online. There's a nice, not particularly seasonal, nice horsey one. What else have we got? Oh, this is a new one. There we are, one of my little grand kittens, suitable for any occasion. Oh, and finally, my actual bestseller. Again, not Christmassy, but look at that. Here we are, a dear little pusscat with a bit of attitude. So I've got Christmas cards, I've got animal cards for all occasions. Do come along to the social club, say hello. If not, order online from lovefromtheartist.com. Thank you very much, and happy Christmas, if it's not too early.